latest updates, subscribe to News9.
UGC decides against scrapping exams for graduating students. Final year university exams to be conducted by the end of September, says UGC in revised guidelines. Students in universities and colleges across India will now have to compulsorily take their final year exams this year. HRD Minister Dr. Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank also said that the UGC has revisited its guidelines. The UGC has revisited its earlier guidelines related to university examinations in view of the safety, career progression and placements of the students and their larger interests. After consulting HMO India and Ministry of Health and Family Welfare India, it has been decided that intermediate semester students will be evaluated based on internal assessment as per earlier issued guidelines. Evaluation of the terminal semester students, which was to be done through examinations in the month of July. Now, their examinations will be conducted by the end of September 2020, following the guidelines laid down by Ministry of Health and Family Welfare India for COVID-19. MHA has not clarified on the mode of examinations, whether it will be online or offline. Ministry of Home Affairs in a letter to the Union Higher Education Secretary today permitted conduct of examinations by universities and institutions. The final term examinations are to be compulsorily conducted as per the UGC guidelines on examinations and academic calendar and as per the standard operating procedure approved by the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. UGC's revised guidelines are likely to have an impact on examination schedules across the country. Schedules will impact students in Gujarat and Karnataka, which depends on the regulator's stand. UGC is also in favor of holding final exams and will ask states to conduct examinations. There was a meeting of the commission members today and there is a decision in favor of conducting exams. The MHA and Ministry of Health and Family Welfare have also given the due permission now, and the universities will be allowed to conduct exams keeping all the social distancing protocols put in place by the government. UGC will allow institutes to conduct exams in the mode that is most feasible to them. In the interest of the students and academic credibility, exams cannot be bypassed and institutions must have final examinations. How they want to do it and when they can conduct the exams is up to them, but they will have to conduct examinations. States that have cancelled examinations will have to reconsider their decision and they cannot opt for internal assessment. Maharashtra, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh and Kerala had decided to cancel the final examinations for university students. Gujarat, Karnataka and Uttar Pradesh had been waiting for the UGC directions.